Location-based fan engagement is here. Host country for a tournament, your city hosting a cultural event? Engage the visiting audience by sending them on an interactive treasure hunt around the city that harnesses augmented reality, gamification, and much more. Deploy AR games that are played at specific city locations. Interact with virtual mascots that help create content for social engagement. Let fans earn points to win prizes, rewards, and tickets. Mobilize your audiences with curated location-based experiences built for any city in the world. To find out more, reach out to us today.